Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the React project and adding required libraries so you can render PDFs. Install React PDF and PDF.js dist, then configure PDF.js. Global worker options to point to the worker file. Once done, place a sample PDF in public or choose a test URL. Make sure to import document and page from React PDF and set basic state for page number and num pages. This gets you past trivial setup and into code that actually loads the PDF for rendering in your React component. Now you render the PDF and wire up controls so users can navigate. Use document and page and implement on load success to capture num pages, then render current page using page number state. Add handlers for next, previous, zoom and slash out, and rotate, update scale and rotation state, and pass them to page. Once done, optimize rendering with render mode or disable text layer for speed. Also make sure to debounce zoom changes and conditionally render multiple pages for continuous scroll versus single page view. Finish by polishing UI and ensuring deployment works. Add responsive styles, keyboard navigation, and area labels. Test on mobile. When building, ensure the PDF.js worker is correctly referenced relative to your bundle or copied into public. Mismatched worker paths cause blank renders. If something goes wrong, check core's headers for remote PDFs, verify PDF.js dist and React PDF versions match, and confirm the worker URL is reachable. Finally, write small unit tests for navigation and load events to catch regressions early.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.